Good day everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to download and use the Revy VPN. This is a free VPN, in the Philippines, that developed by Unirises. It has more than 130 servers, and all of that is 100% for free. First thing we need to do, is go to their website. I will post the link on the description. Here, let's find the download page. Just wait for this, skip ads for about 7 seconds and they will be downloaded. Now the application file is downloaded, let's proceed to installation. Since I have downloaded the file, I will go to my download folder, and install it there. Let's just wait for a second. I have done installing the application. Let's open the app now. Click the Update button, in the bottom middle of the app, and click the Online Configuration. Let's pick a server, and a payload that relates to our SIM card promo. In this moment we will try different servers, that will run on our device. Sometimes it shows error, but let's just pick another one. Here, you can see, it is now connected. Let's try it on Google if it works. The language in my Google is different, because it is connected to the server of the country we selected. Let's check my IP address, and my country now. Follow Unirises for more informations. Thank you.